Half manners.
Hey! Say hi, Nan.
Hello.
What's the crack?
What's the crack? What's the crack?
Like that.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, Ronan.
Hello. Actually, you need to go to the cake now before it starts.
I'm not going anywhere.
Before it starts.
No, not gonna. Michael's going first.
Really, did you tell me what
If
about?
you swear at me now, just on camera.
No, I don't.
What's the motto of today?
Become the product.
Become the product. Thank you for purchasing.
Kieran, show your product.
Can you advertise our product, please?
Very good, very good.
Well done, everyone. Take a bow. 1, 2, 3, and action.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Jimmy. Yeah, thanks.
Run away.